Okay, so I'm down here below the layout. I can see the connectors used for the belt line. You can see all my feeder wires which I've dropped. I'm just a little curious regarding the UP5 panel here. It looks like to me, following the wires, that the UP5 panel was powered through track power. Maybe you could just confirm that for me, because it looks like, as I said, the one wire here following the white wire, which for whatever reason becomes red, then connects with the brown. Brown is track power, as far as I understand, according to Beltline standards. The UP5 is green on this side. I don't know why green, but whatever. The green then connects to blue, not sure why, and the blue is then fed into the white, which is also track power. The green and yellow, I guess that's I don't know what that would be actually. I'll have to look at the manual there, the Beltline manual. Maybe you could clarify what the green and yellow are for. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is connect all my feeder wires to a sub bus line, which then connects to the brown and the white for the main bus. Okay, so that's where I'm at with the wiring. Just if you could sort of help me out with understanding how the UP5 was connected to the belt line, that'd be great. Thanks. Bye.